What up, everybody? It's your boy AB, aka Andy the Crypto, and today I am bullish on this bull run. I am ready for those prices to pump. Okay, we've been in a little bit of a decline, but if we got Bitcoin going from 61K to 66K in a day, you never know. That might be some good news. So let's see what's gonna happen. Check out the cool Ethereum shirt I got here. Yeah. So I'm all about this crypto, man. Let me tell you. So yeah, today's video we're gonna be going over my top 10 picks for this bull run. In no particular order, or maybe it is. Yeah, so in no particular order. I'm just gonna go over my top 10 picks. Now I got a couple others, but these I feel like are gonna be the big ones that people need to check out for. Number one is gonna be Arrow. I already talked to y'all about Aerodrome Finance. And yeah, basically it is the DeFi liquidity hub, the little DEX that is on Base. Everybody is moving to Base. My goodness, all these different coins. Lots of good data that's been pulling up about Base. It's the transaction fees are just cheap, cheap, cheap. Um, and yeah, it's just the new it's the new shiny coin in the crypto market right now, the shiny ecosystem for that matter. So yeah, that's base. Arc block. Arc block also talked about Web3 blockchain. It's integrated with AI. They're building dApps. They've got a wallet. Their AI dApp agent. You can basically use AI to build your own projects, your own programs. And I mean, it's so simple. If you just go onto the arcblock.io website, log in, you can log in with Google. You can start building a project, start typing down your stuff, and it is great. I mean, I like it. So, next one's going to be PNG Pangolin. All right. So, if y'all don't remember, Pangolin is that multi-chain DEX that handles Avalanche. It handles Songbird, Flare, I mean, HBAR. Fantastic projects and fantastic place to be able to trade all their different coins in their ecosystems. So that should be on the run up. Next one will be LCX. They're a new exchange. Um, they are in Liechtenstein, and their founder Monty is really bullish on blockchain banking. In fact, he's got a whole book about blockchain banking. So it's the future. We'll see. And I'm excited about it. Excited about all the people that are really getting involved. They have their little conference in Dubai. What was it, last month or so? So I'm really excited about what they're doing over there. And one of the chains already mentioned, AVAX is the next one. AVAX is Avalanche. It's a layer one blockchain. It's been around for a little bit. And it's used for blockchain DeFi, and it's also used for gaming. Avalanche has this new concept called subnets, where different companies or different projects are able to build on there and have their own little network, and they're all separated. And if you know anything about IT and subnets, you basically understand how that works. So yeah, fun stuff there. Next one up is GFI, Goldfinch. So I know I talked to y'all about swarm markets the other day. GFI is another one. I'm pretty bullish on it. Probably a little bit more bullish on it because of the BlackRock stuff going on, their partnerships. One of them I forgot to mention was Andreessen Horowitz A16Z. If y'all ever heard of that venture capitalist company. So yeah, if they've got that going on, the whole tokenization thing, it's fantastic. Next one up is HBAR. Sound familiar, don't it? Yeah, so HBAR had their hash graph, decentralized network that uses hash graph instead of blockchain. And differences, I mean, I'm not gonna be too technical, but it's a more efficient way of doing things. So blockchain is great, but hash graph might just be next level. So um think that for that other thing, so basically they also have a little council of doom. No, not really. But yeah, they have a little council that they switch out every so often, and it's always run or their council members are like major companies. Like they partnered with Google, LG, Dell, IBM, Boeing. So all those people are like major players in business, and they get to share their thoughts and make votes on how this crypto should be run, handled, stuff like that. And yeah, those are big backers. And you gotta invest into these companies to get your name on the council, and you gotta get chosen. You know what I mean? So that's kind of cool. I'm really into that as well. Then there's Algo. It's a really fast blockchain. It's able to transact in less than 3 seconds. Their founder, Silvio Macaulay, he is the founder of Zero Knowledge Proof. That's a technical term, basically being able to verify facts and truth. And yeah, if you want to look that up, go ahead. Zero Knowledge Proof. Pretty sure you can Google that. But yeah, last two, but not the least two, we've got Math Token. It's a platform that supports over 60 blockchains. They have their own wallet. They've got payment services up and running. They actually make money in real life. And I think it was end of March, early April, where they burned tokens based off of a certain percentage of how much they made for that quarter. So their tokenomics is deflationary. So the more they burn, the more they get rid of, the less tokens there are, the higher the price can go. So I mean, it already had pretty good tokenomics as it was, but the fact that they're gonna be burning it over time too, it's gonna be killer. So I'm excited about that. And last one up, we got Aleph, however you want to pronounce it. It's a doggone good coin, let me tell you. So yeah, it's a cross-chain network that specializes in DeFi, and they have their own Web3 cloud solution. There's a lot of competition in the cloud space, and Alf just happens to be in there. And yeah, they're doing a lot of things too. I think they're also getting into AI as well. But yeah, I mean, these coins are pretty, I feel like they're pretty. If you get some of these coins, you're doing pretty good for this bull run. We haven't had quite the run up, but this is the time to get in before the run up, because that run up will melt your face off. I don't know if you ever seen the charts from before, but like not too long after the halving, like coins just pump like out of nowhere. So I'm thinking this could have started, or this could be, we might have a little bit more downward action towards the end of the month and pump right back up. But DeFi summer is a thing, and it's happening real soon, guys. So just get your bags while you can, DCA if you can. Um yeah, it's gonna be crazy out there, guys. So one more thing I do want to do, and I kind of forgot to, but just want to let you guys know the rundown as far as like market cap, because market cap is important if you're really trying to get these multipliers before, the blow off top that may occur next year sometime 2025. Um, but yeah, if you have a good project and it's got a low market cap, you're gonna make a ton of multipliers. I don't want to exaggerate on stuff, but people think some of these coins made 20, 30x. I think if you put like a good $1,000 in and you 10x off of these, you might make a little bit more. Just depends on when you put it in. I feel like all these projects have, more or less, a 10x at least. So for Arrow is a 482 million. I found all this info from CoinMarketCap. Got all these market caps from them. So if they're off, my bad. But yeah, that's what I got. So Arrow 482 million market cap. Arc Block 366 million. PNG's 110 million. LCX is 215 million. AVAX is 13 billion. Yes, that's a huge and probably the most, I would say the largest cap that I have a strong investment in, but there's a lot of big corporation players that are into AVAX. Gaming is going to be its own narrative, and AVAX is probably going to be leading the forefront as far as like layer one ecosystems that handle gaming. Like, yeah, there's a ton of projects, gaming projects within that ecosystem. So with that being said, AVAX is going to do phenomenally well. GFI is 109 million. HBAR is 3 billion. But like I said, Dell, LG, Google, IBM, huge players. Like the market cap won't even make a difference. So we've got Algo 1.41 billion. We've got Math at 42 million, and we got Alf at 82 million. So you may need to watch this a couple times just so you can get all those numbers down. Figure out what you like about those projects. See what you want to invest in, but do your own research. And none of this is financial advice. So do with that as you may. But you know, this is my advice. I'm just some dude on the internet on YouTube. So, all right, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the likes, hit some subscribes, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, later.